Is being an electrician in Egypt well paid? The average electrician income in Egypt is around 2,900 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary, but after tax, it drops to $2,500, which leaves a take-home pay of about $208 a month. If you work in Cairo, your electrician salary in Egypt goes up to $2,900 after tax. That sounds better, but high living costs in the big city quickly eat up the extra cash. While entry-level electrician wages start well below this level, skills grow fast early on. On top of that, your pay usually plateaus unless you step into a supervisor role. How much does an electrician make in Egypt if they have a university degree? Higher education brings noticeably more money, even though local jobs do not always demand it. Having a degree also helps you move into higher-paying positions, like electrical engineer or project manager. Finally, learning special skills adds up to even better earnings.